Okay, this is a video for Glimmerman Auto Care. To log into the website dashboard, you need to go to the URL and then add wp-admin. And that will take you into the Glimmerman Auto Care dashboard of WordPress. For right now, do not click this button. WordPress 3.0 is available. It is a new update, and not all the plugins have caught up to it yet. So if we click update, a bunch of crap's not going to work, and then I'm going to be upset that you clicked it. So do not click this. All right. All right. So one of the things about your website is you have posts and pages. The top menu bar here are pages. These are static and they don't change. They're going to stay the same. All right, let's pause this first. Okay, these are going to remain static. When you make updates, these are posts. Posts they can change and they're dynamic. Okay, so let's go back into the dashboard. Let's say we want to make a new post. Click Add New, and most likely you're not going to be adding pages that often. Most of what you're going to be doing is posts. So it's rare that you're going to be in the page. These are the pages down here, and they actually look very similar, posts and pages, but the posts act more like what you'd use for news. It's actually more where the blog is. So if I want to make a new post, click Add New. Just make a test post, and blah blah blah. This is where you write your content.
Where's this test post? Is that the header? What you say?
This is the title.
The title.
Yeah.
Title. Okay, there you go.
You're going to start off in the HTML tab. Really, where you want to do your editing is in the Visual tab, which will look just like Microsoft Word, which it'll do spell check. And if I want to make something bold, if I want to add a picture, I can select it from my these are too big. Anyway, this is how you upload a picture. And when you upload a picture, you can actually have, where's the picture? Oh. You can actually tell it where you want to put it, left, center, right, and you can insert it into the post. It was a very small picture. It was like 32 by 32, tiny. Anyway. Like, let's say you wanted to put a link in. Like to the, if you want to, let's say you want to link to if we want to put a link to the Contact Us page, I highlight the text that I want to link, and it'll open up the screen here, so I can put, if I want to link to the contact, and I just copy that right in, or paste it in. And you always want to put a title in. That's like a keyword that people are searching for. I might put in like, I don't know, Phoenix Auto Detailer. And now that gives you a link. The other thing that you need to do is put it in a category. Now you can make a category. I just set up like Glimmer News and Phoenix Auto Detailing. If you want to come up with different like car care tips or whatever, you can create another category. All I have to do is click on here, add new category. It'll bring that up. You put the category name in, whatever it is, and then you click add. and it'll show up in here. Then you can check For right now, I want it to show Glimmer News. The SEO is something you'll be wanting to fill in. You can drag these up. I usually like it right below what I'm doing here and the excerpt. Actually, I put it right on top of the. Actually. There we go. Oop, where'd the excerpt? Anyway, the excerpt is just like a brief synopsis of whatever you wrote. I'm going to have you do one while you're here just to get a feel of it. It's just a brief summary of what you did here, maybe 1 or 2 sentences. It's good for SEO to do that. And then here, this is where you do your search engine optimization, and you don't have to know code. Normally you have to know how to code to use this area here. All you have to know how to do is type. This is the title. This is 160 characters, basically telling, like when people go to Google and do a search, when you do a search, like what you're writing in that box, the next box shows up here. This is the title of what you're writing, and this is they call this the description. Title, description. So you got the title, description. That's what shows in Google. That's how that gets there if you ever wanted to know. This is what you want to show in the Google search result. I'll give you some videos to watch on SEO. Something you can have to get a feel of. Keywords, not really used by Google. However, what I do with these, I'll put a few in, like Phoenix, auto, detail, Phoenix, auto, detailing, auto, detail, Phoenix. I mean, people are going to put in different variations of words, right?
Mm-hmm.
Phoenix and car wash, Phoenix. And then I'm going to take these. Oops, no. I'm going to paste them into the tags. Tags are just another way that WordPress categorizes what you have put in here. So you've got Google here, WordPress over here, and you want to add them in. And then you want to publish. Now I put this in Glimmer News, so what'll happen, I got to refresh. And here's the test post, which we don't want. Okay? All right. So we actually want to delete that. Put it in the trash. There, we got it. Okay, so let's do this for now.